The conventional wisdom of our so-called financial experts is that the best thing you can do to have financial independence or financial freedom is to save money. What do you guys think about it? Do you believe the same? Today, I, Ishika Jain from Brainvibe, would like to talk about the importance of investment rather than just savings. Well, I don't completely agree with the above wisdom. In fact, there are certain kinds of savers who don't grow much financially. What kind of saver am I talking about? After clearing all the expenses, the one who saves on a low interest rate fixed deposit and expects that their money will grow magically by the time of their retirement into what they need to live on. Well, that doesn't work. In an economy where everything is built to take out your money from inflation to taxes, saving it is of only little value. Also, if you want to know more about inflation, we have created a video on our channel. You can check that out. So, how can one save and still gain financial independence? What are those kinds of savers? Well, the one who spend for a specific reason, a reason to spend in the right place at the right time. One should know how to control the cash flow. Investing in assets brings cash in our pocket, while investing in liability takes cash out of our pockets. It is very important, and to make it understood for everyone, I would like to take example of house. A house. What do you think about house? Is it an asset or a liability? Comment down your views in the comment section below. Well, a house is both an asset as well as a liability. It depends on the purpose of your investment and the timing of your investment. If you want to purchase a house for residential purpose, let's say at the age of 25 years, then it is a liability for you. It will take cash out of your pocket in the form of mortgages or taxes. In fact, if you want to take a house for investment purpose, then it is an asset for you. It will bring cash in your pocket in the form of rental income or its appreciated value. And then you can again invest in a profitable deal. The cash flow of money goes on. It doesn't stop. If it stops, then you are losing the value of your money day by day. Remember, your money should work for you even when you are asleep. Spending money wisely needs financial intelligence, and that needs financial knowledge. In order to understand the markets, one needs to research and stay updated about what's going around. One needs to think less about saving and more about investing it. You can gain financial knowledge by reading newspaper, and also you can watch finance related content on YouTube. You can also subscribe to our channel as we create financial, informative and relative videos. A lot of people have hard time saving. Either they spend the money they have or they don't spend it thinking that the saved money would be used in future. The best solution to this is to start saving your money automatically in investing. Just like the mutual fund SIPs, every month or quarter, your amounts get invested once you start it. So even if you are short of cash to meet your daily expenses, your savings, that is your automatic investment, doesn't get disturbed. This scary situation of being short in money arises when you don't keep track of your expenses. Brainvibe has launched an app wherein you can keep track of your expenses, income, and you can manage your portfolio with different features. The link of the app is provided in the description box below. Okay guys, so I would like to end this video here. If you like it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.